Welcome, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about how to manually update your iPhone apps. This is a simple process that can ensure you're always using the latest versions of your favorite apps, which can often include new features or important security updates. Let's start with the basics. To manually update apps, you first need to open the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store is where all the magic happens. It's the hub where developers release their latest app updates. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see a variety of options at the bottom of the screen. For our purpose, you need to tap on the Today tab. This tab will give you an overview of the day's most popular apps and any updates available. In the Today tab, you'll notice your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will take you to your account page. This page contains information about your Apple ID, as well as any app updates that are available for your device. On your account page, you'll see a list of apps that have updates available. To manually update an app, all you need to do is tap on the Update button next to the app. The App Store will then start downloading and installing the update. That's all there is to it. Updating your apps manually can ensure that you always have the latest features and security updates. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference in your overall iPhone experience. Thanks for watching, and happy updating!